let's do some work. Okay, so the plan for today is to work for some cafes here in Madrid. Lately I've been way more productive when I've been working from cafes, so let's try it out. Today I want to work a little bit more on the internal tool I'm building for the YouTube videos. I need to improve some stuff like the UI rendering. When the state changes, I will implement Fustan instead of Redux. Then I will be working on the deleting videos, deleting blocks, and also modifying the description of a video on the go, like you don't need to open a modal or something like that. Yeah, I think that's all, but as always we'll find more stuff to work on it. Okay, so as well I need to send myself an email every time someone subscribes to my newsletter, and when I save that email into recent audiences, I will trigger a function that will send an email to myself, so I know someone just registered. So let's start the project, and let's create a function that's notify admin, and it will be an async function with a param of email of type string, and then we will call the recent object. We will send an email from, it doesn't matter the address, and with a custom email template done in React that is not done yet. That's why we see an error there. Now I will create that component, and we will call it the same as the file, new subscriber admin. To visualize the email, I will start another repo. You will be able to see all the emails that you have done, and also with some other examples like this one. So I duplicate a template that already existed, and here on the page we can see the end result. So now I just have to change some text from this template. We will create the interface of the admin notify new subscriber, and we will only pass the email as a string, okay, because we want to know who subscribed to the newsletter. And that would be it. We can delete all this text, and we will put just a basic text like new subscriber to the personal newsletter, and that would be it. So let's get back to the personal portfolio. I want to call that function, the notify admin, just after the email is saved on the recent audiences, because that's when, hey, 100% we have that data, there's no errors on the flow, so that's the right point to do it. So yeah, let's test if that works. We should see a nice toast saying like everything is fine, and then we should receive one email that's to verify that the email is correct, and then we should receive two, the hey, everything is fine and you verified the email correctly, and the other one, the one that we just created, the admin email. Hello guys, yesterday I was up till late. I was working on the auth section of the YouTube organization tool because I changed my mind and maybe you guys want to use it or someone else want to use it. So I was working on the auth system with Supabase, super easy. And I was thinking, I'm tired, you know, it's Friday night. I'm in Madrid. I should go out, but then I thought probably most of my friends will go out and we'll have great time. But one, I don't want to go out just because of the social pressure we have here in Spain to go out and drink. I may spend that time building something or learning something useful. Now it's almost 1 p.m. Time to go for a coffee, eat something, and work a little bit more. Okay, so what I've done here, we can see some buttons and they do exactly what the text says. Okay, so if we try to check out without being logged in, we will get this response and we need to log in and basically everything will be able to work properly. So now we are redirected to Stripe checkout and well, the email gets passed through it like with no problems with the login info, and we can also create a portal so the user can manage the subscription and can look at the invoices that has been done in the past, and we can also sign out. That's all done with Supabase.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul.
This morning they sent me an email that I have a meeting on Tuesday. I think there's a client that wants to talk about what we can do for them, and yeah, pretty excited. And yeah, I think starting to document my life as a software engineer and a business owner. I don't like to call it business owner. It seems like I'm a 40 years old guy. I don't have anything against that, but I don't know. It's not what I like. What I like the most to be. I don't know. Well, what I was saying. I think since I started documenting my life as a software engineer, I have like more motivation to code, to learn new stuff. I feel like I'm in another state of mind. I'm not saying I'm better than anyone, of course I'm not saying that, but it feels right, posting videos, seeing that some people like it, some people don't, but it feels right overall, so I think I will keep doing it. It doesn't matter the outcome now. And yesterday night I worked, I don't know, till 5-6 a.m. and I was tired, but I was feeling like really like I was doing something good, instead of going out and partying till late. I was working. I know it's not the best thing to do every single day, otherwise you will get burned out, and I've been there, so I know I don't want to get there again. And it felt good, it felt good. I don't know, I'm happy I started making YouTube videos, because at first I was a little bit scared of what they will say about it, or if I'm not the best speaking English, because guys, I'm from Spain. I don't speak, my native language is not English, as you can see, so it was also a challenge for me. But at the end of the day, it's fine, it's not as bad as it could be, no? So now that the agency is starting to taking off to have like consistent work, I will also start sharing my journey with this also on YouTube, so you guys can see it as well. If you want to see something in particular, just let me know. I will listen to you and I will try my best to do the content that you like the most, if I like it as well, so no problem on that. Today is Sunday. Let's go for a run. I have a race in 20 days, more or less, and I want to know how fast or how slow should I run.